welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री and as promised, I'm back with the latest from Bollywood social media and entertainment. Hope you guys are doing fine, staying home and indoors. Just a few more days to go, so hang in there. Meanwhile, I bring you the latest from Bollywood. So without further ado, let's check out the top stories for the day. अपने किस पोस्ट के लिए कार्तिक आर्यन को फेस करना पड़ा क्रिटिसिज्म? सुपरस्टार सलमान खान के डैडी सलीम खान ने किया लॉकडाउन रूल्स को वायलेट करने की रिपोर्ट्स पर रिएक्ट। लॉकडाउन में डैडी आयुष्मान खुराना ने कैसे बनाया डॉटर वरुष्का के बर्थडे को मेमोरेबल और सुपर स्पेशल। जानवी कपूर ने सिस्टर खुशी के लिए बेक किया केक।
It's my special carrot cake that I've made. Just eat it and tell me what you think. Put it in your mouth. Khushi, my story can't be so long. What?
It's good.
Really?
No,
Eat more.
I don't like it.
Sisters Janhvi Kapoor and Khushi Kapoor are spending this time at home, chilling together, posting funny videos and documenting what two sisters locked up together look like. Most recently, Janhvi Kapoor posted a video on social media of how she baked a cake for Khushi, who's rather skeptical about eating it. Janhvi Kapoor and Khushi Kapoor's antics on social media are making them the most popular siblings in town.
This is how my sister makes sure I don't go anywhere and I spend time with her. This is how she doesn't let me move.
Whether it is their who is more likely to game or Janhvi sharing how Khushi pins her down so she can spend time with her or making humorous videos, the girls have been making most of their time together in lockdown.
Who spends the most money? Who will have kids first? Who will get married first? Who has the better style? Who is meaner?
But looks like all her love for her sister can't force Khushi to try more than a bite of Janhvi's cooking.
Just eat it and tell me what you think. Put it in your mouth. Khushi, my story can't be so long. What?
It's good.
Janhvi shared a post on her social media where she offers her sister Khushi some special carrot cake that she has made. But Khushi had us rolling on the floor with laughter when she gives Janhvi the most reluctant look and the cake a suspicious one.
It's my special carrot cake that I've made.
What is in it?
Just eat it and tell me what you think. Put it in your mouth. Khushi, my story can't be so long. What?
It's good.
Really?
No,
Eat more.
I don't like it.
Almost as if on gunpoint, she takes a teeny tiny bit and murmurs, "It is good," before refuses to have any more. Well, Janhvi, Bollywood का तख्त भले ही आपके लिए हो, but looks like cooking is not your cup of tea, and you need some more practice to be a perfect baker. Actress Bhumi Pednekar, who is with her sister Samiksha and their mother during the lockdown, opened up about a painful phase in her life when she lost her father to cancer. The talented star, who has had a successful year with some unusual film choices, shared how she and her sister coped with the loss and how facing a tragedy changed her as a person. Right from her debut, Bhumi Pednekar has charted her own path. She debuted in a film where she had to gain a lot of weight and has performed in films where she has meaningful and challenging roles. Whether it's playing a dark-skinned character in Bala or playing a 60-year-old woman in Sant Ki Aag. Bhumi has taken the road less traveled. But quite like her bold and brave characters, Bhumi has also seen some really tough phases in her life that have made her stronger and more independent. In a recent interview, Bhumi opened up about losing her father at just 18 and how that left her and her sister Samiksha completely shattered. Bhumi shared, "We were quite young. I was 18, Samiksha was probably 15 when we lost our dad due to cancer. We saw him through prolonged sickness and really suffered a lot. Obviously, losing a parent is never easy, and I had a wonderful father. We miss him every day, but my mom is made of something else. She really got us together. I think just as a family, we went into warrior mode post that." Often tragedies force us to grow up and mature real quickly, and losing her father did just that to Bhumi. Bhumi said, "I started working 10 times harder than I would. We both just grew up and realized that getting real. And we need to get our act together. The 2 years we were a mess, but we gathered ourselves really fast. Today when we look back, we wonder how we survived those days, how we got through it. But it happened." Bhumi, who started her career as an assistant in the casting department at a film studio, has become one of the most promising actors in Bollywood, striking a balance between mainstream films like Toilet Ek Prem Katha and an offbeat film like Sand Ki Aankh. She has been signed up to play a pivotal role in Thug, which she is preparing for in lockdown currently. Bhumi also revealed that post their father's demise, they always feel his presence. Bhumi said, "I strongly feel since my dad passed away, we constantly feel his presence. It is all him because of whom our lives changed. Our both coming of age, everything happened in sync. It was incredible. I really feel that it's my father's energy and he is just blessing us. Somewhere we are a product of our father and we look very similar to him." We are very sure, Bhumi, that wherever he is, his blessings are always with you and your sister.
Rui, why are you holding these balloons?
We're back!
Yash, why are you holding the balloons?
We're back!
We are back. Lockdown with the Johars are back. See you soon.
Karan Johar's twins Yash and Ruhi are back, and this time they're telling daddy Karan Johar to stay away from the burgers on the table. Well, because they won't be kind to his waistline. Poor Karan just can't seem to catch a break, and I think post the lockdown he will find film critics more kind.
Wow, we're eating burgers today, Ruhi. Yash, even Dada wants to eat.
No, you'll get fat.
I'll become fat if I have a burger.
हर फिल्म क्रिटिक से क्रिटिकल और हर जिम ट्रेनर से ज्यादा खतरनाक है करण जौहर के ट्विंस यश एंड रूही.
Toodles. Okay, toodles.
The terrific twosome has been on a rampage since the lockdown began, trolling their poor father every day.
Excuse me, what are you all doing in my shower? What? What? You're telling me I'm dirty, I should have a bath?
यश और रूही कभी डैडी करण के क्लोथिंग और ड्रेसिंग स्टाइल पर तो कभी शूज पर कमेंट्स करते हैं.
Wow, Rui, Yash, we are in Dada's closet. Rui, you like Dada's clothes?
No!
Wow, Yash, you like Dada's shoes?
No! It's so tiny.
It's too shiny. Yash, what do you think? Again? Excuse me, what is this you're holding?
Mama, I got that.
Whose kurta?
Mama,
This is not Mama's kurta, this is Dada's kurta. Mama, what do you think of my sartorial choices?
I feel you're wearing too much black, too much bling. But in short, I think you could reinvent yourself.
कभी ये दोनों करण की फिल्मों को बोरिंग कहते हैं तो कभी अपने पापा को हिंट देते हैं that he needs to lose some weight.
Wow, we're eating burgers today, Ruhi. Yash, even Dada wants to eat.
no, you'll get fat.
I'll become fat if I have a burger. Mama, are you saying the same thing to Mama as well? Mama also. Mama, I think he's telling us not to eat these burgers because he says we'll become fat.
Who'll become fat, Baba?
Dada.
Dada become fat? No, Mama's fat.
Meanwhile, Ruhi is enjoying her snack and has no comments on the video of the day.
Ruhi, what do you think of Dada?
Nothing.
Huh? What? Nothing you think of Dada? Oh God. Okay, I better go back to my low morale self.
But while burgers may not be the way, it looks like singing doesn't run in the family either.
We have two very talented musicians in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Yash and Ruhi. Here goes. Excuse me. 1 minute. Time out. Do you have something more melodious you can sing? रुकावट के लिए खेद है, but this is not good for anyone's sensibilities. Toodles!
It's her daughter's 6th birthday and we wanted to throw a small party, but there weren't any decorations and balloons in the market. So we thought that we're going to make some homemade decorations and we wanted to share the joy of doing the same with you. Happy birthday, Varushka! And the man behind all these art sessions is Mr. Ayushmann Khurrana, who's just played the music and
Okay,
that's
fine.
about it.
I played the guitar and the piano and everything.
Yes.
Ayushmann Khurrana and Tahira Kashyap celebrated their daughter Varushka's birthday in lockdown, but made it super special for the little girl by creating decorations and making it as colorful and fun as possible. But look closely, the decorations are extra special for this reason. Major events have been cancelled, films postponed, shoots delayed, but when it comes to birthdays, this is still one event that can be celebrated even while in lockdown, even if they have to be low-key and homebound. Ayushmann Khurrana and his wife Tahira recently shared how they had celebrated their daughter Varushka's birthday at home, and the simplicity and love is really touching.
It's her daughter's 6th birthday and we wanted to throw a small party, but there weren't any decorations and balloons in the market. So we thought that we're going to make some homemade decorations and we wanted to share the joy of doing the same with you. We have made these fans using paper, coloring them and sticking them together. And yes, what else?
And we have made this confetti by coloring them and cutting them. And we are going to throw it now on each other.
It was supposed to be for the birthday. Also, we made streamers. They look like streamers, but if you come close, you'll see these are newspapers and we've painted them and we've recycled it. And also, we made a banner which says, Happy Birthday, Varushka!
Little Varushka turned a mighty 6 years old and her parents decided कि lockdown है तो क्या हुआ, घर में छोटी सी पार्टी जरूर होगी. The couple has shared the video of how they painted old newspapers with bright colors to make the room colorful. And सबसे अच्छी बात तो ये है कि इस तरह एक साथ सब करने से the family got time to bond and the kids learned that you really don't have to have expensive birthdays and fancy decorations to be able to have fun.
Happy birthday, Varushka! And the man behind all these art sessions is Mr. Ayushmann Khurrana, who's just played the music and
Okay,
that's
fine.
about it.
I played the guitar and the piano and everything.
Yes.
वाकई इस बर्थडे की सिंप्लिसिटी और स्पेशल मेमोरीज वरुष्का को हमेशा याद रहेंगी.
Happy birthday, Varushka! And the man behind all these art sessions is Mr. Ayushmann Khurrana, who's just played the music and
Okay,
that's
fine.
about it.
I played the guitar and the piano and everything.
Yes.
Salim Khan was reported to a media outlet and the police because he was seen walking on the Bandra promenade by his neighbors. Now we all know during lockdown we are supposed to stay indoors and only step out if there's an emergency or we need to buy essentials. And the rule remains same for everyone. But looks like Salim Khan had a valid reason to step out of the house. We have all the details. Given the lockdown, people have suspended all their normal routines and are staying put at home unless it's absolutely necessary to step out for buying essentials or for medical reasons. But turns out the lockdown has also made people extra vigilant, and perhaps that's why a few people living close to Salman Khan's home complained to the police and a media outlet that Salman's father Salim Khan is leaving his home every day in the morning. While they initially thought that it was a one-off incident, they soon realized it was an everyday occurrence. When the matter was reported to a media outlet, who in turn spoke to the police and an investigation was conducted, turns out Salim Khan was stepping out for health reasons and has been walking every day for the past many years to address a long-standing lower back problem.
कोई इशू नहीं है, इशू के मैं वॉक कर रहा हूँ, कोई कर रहा हूँ, मैं 25-30 साल से वॉक कर रहा हूँ और मेरे बैक का प्रॉब्लम है। डॉक्टर ने मुझसे कहा कि वॉक करो, नहीं वॉक करना बंद कर दोगे तो वॉक नहीं कर सकोगे। बहुत से लोग आते हैं, कोई कुत्तों को लेके आते हैं वॉक कराने के लिए सुबह सुबह, तो अपने कुत्तों को लेके आते हैं और ये लोग आते हैं वहाँ कुछ कबूतर है, वो मेरे लिए वेट करते हैं, मैं उनको दाना डाल के I come back.
Okay, sir, I agree. I understand. आपका भी सिचुएशन है
और knowing this fully well कि ये होने वाला है, मैंने ऑलरेडी जाके पास बनवा लिया था कि मैंने कहा कि मुझे यहाँ वॉक करने की इजाजत दी जाए, इसलिए डॉक्टर ने मुझसे कहा है कि आप वॉक करो, नहीं तो आप थोड़ी देर बाद अगर रहे तो ऐसी वॉक नहीं कर सकोगे।
अभी कंट्री में जो सिचुएशन चल रहा है उसके चलते काफी स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स पुलिस ने, गवर्नमेंट ने, सभी ने इम्पोज किए हैं।
आई रिस्पेक्ट द लॉ। मैं पुलिस वाले का बेटा हूँ, मेरे फादर DIG थे इंदौर के अंदर, मैं कोई काम ऐसा नहीं करता है और मैंने पहले से ही ये लीग के परमिशन और ये मेरे पास वो है, अपना पास भी है। He should be allowed, that's all.
He believes that celebrities are targeted or are put under unnecessary scrutiny by people in spite of so many other people walking on the Bandra promenade with their pets.
क्या आप लोगों को भी वही लगता है ना कि सलीम खान, सलमान खान, मतलब हेडलाइंस देने के लिए कोई एक नाम चाहिए आपको? सब बहुत से लोग वॉक करते सुबह से, कोई रूल वायलेट नहीं हो रहा है। ये एक इमरजेंसी होती है कि आपको डॉक्टर ने कहा है ये सब थोड़ा सा वॉक कर लिया करो। हार्ट पेशेंट को बोलते हैं लोग थोड़ा सा वॉक करना शुरू करो।
ओके सर, एक सिर्फ आपसे एज अ सिटीजन आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क यू, वुड यू लाइक अभी इसके बाद चलते वुड यू प्रेफर कि आप कंपाउंड के अंदर ही इफ यू कैन टेक द वॉक?
कंपाउंड के अंदर गाड़ियाँ बहुत है, कंपाउंड के अंदर गाड़ियाँ बहुत है, समझिए आप। कंपाउंड के अंदर वॉकिंग होती है और मैं वहाँ कबूतरों को दाना डाल रहा हूँ, कुछ 10-15 साल से वहाँ कुछ कबूतर है वहाँ बैठे होते हैं, तो मेरे लिए वेट करते हैं, मैं उनका नाश्ता कराता हूँ। मैं वो भी पहन रहा हूँ अपना
मास्क,
वो भी पहन रहा हूँ।
सर एक फोटो भी हमने देखी जिसमें आपके साथ और 3-4 लोग भी दिखे हैं, सो इसलिए ये एक अलर्ट सा पैदा हो गया कि ग्रुप में बाहर में जो लोग
वही दिखे हैं जो कि वॉक करने आते हैं या कुत्तों को लेके आते हैं, 2 मिनट बात कर लेते हैं, उसमें कोई भीड़ नहीं लगा रहा हूँ मैं। वी आर टेकिंग ऑल द प्रिकॉशंस, नथिंग लाइक दैट, वी आर नॉट वायलेटिंग एनी लॉ। आई न्यू इट कि ये प्रॉब्लम आएगा, तो इसके लिए मैंने ऑलरेडी पास बनवा लिया था।
Well, Salim Khan Mumbai में है, while most of his family is in Panvel, including his son Salman Khan, both his daughters Arpita and Alvira and their families. Salman had even released a video sharing how he has not been able to meet his father for an extended period of time. However, Salim Khan is in touch with his family through phone calls.
Also, Salman is back in the Panvel farmhouse. He's also not able to come back. So, उनसे क्या मतलब? Do you talk to him? Do you conversate with him on the phone? कैसे communication हो रहा है?
फोन पे बात होती है. घर में बाकी के बच्चे यहाँ हैं, सब होता है.
Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while.
No, don't fuck it up, Anand. I'll be really mad.
This time?
Yeah.
Just come like this.
Yeah.
Sonam Kapoor is in her spacious South Delhi home, cooking special meals and working out in what looks like a 5-star hotel gym. The star is surely missing her fashionista days of dressing up in a couture, as she is posting a number of pictures of herself in various styles and also other family snaps. But the pictures we love the most is of her husband Anand Ahuja as a chubby little kid. Sonam Kapoor Ahuja बन गई है साउथ दिल्ली की बहू नंबर 1, cooking every day for her family, rustling up exotic meals and desserts which her husband Anand Ahuja proudly records and samples, but also works out with her husband in their state-of-the-art gym, sharing clips of their lockdown lives with fans and followers. She has also been sharing a lot of throwback photos and videos, but what really caught our eye was the cute throwback pictures the fashionista shared of Anand as a cute little kid. While the two are one of the most romantic couples in B-Town with their adorable selfies and antics, where she helped Anand blow dry his hair or taking a picture of him having a post-lunch nap. With her recent post, Sonam shared pictures of Anand as a cute little kid, where baby Anand is dressed in typical 80s kids fashion, cute shirts, shorts with teddy bear designs and long socks that almost reach his knees. Anand looks absolutely adorable as a child, and his chubby avatar is quite different from his current fit and lean look. Sonam captioned one of the baby photos as "Chubby Hubby" and another one as "Hi Anand Ahuja, you are as adorably cute now." Amidst all the negative news from around the world about the COVID-19 pandemic, this came as a breath of fresh air as everyone tries to stay positive and hopeful that things will get better soon.
Сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюся, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюся, сегодня будет туса, я сегодня напьюся, сегодня будет на-на-на-на-на, я сегодня напьюся, у меня выходной, на-на-на-на-на.
Kartik Aaryan found himself in a spot of trouble after his latest video was criticized for endorsing domestic violence. Kartik had shared a video of him pulling his sister's hair for making bad rotis, which some found amusing, but many others found it offensive because it involved a man hitting a woman for making bad food. What do you guys feel about such content? There have been quite a few reports recently about a rise in domestic violence during the lockdown, with a number of complaints in every day and several celebrities sharing helpline numbers for those suffering abuse in their homes. In fact, several Several women's rights organizations, such as the National Commission for Women, has openly stated that calls made to domestic abuse helplines have increased since lockdown. ऐसे माहौल में कार्तिक का बनाया गया वीडियो where he supposedly pulls his sister by her braids and throws her from the balcony, all for a badly made roti, has not gone down well with netizens. Kartik had captioned the post as "No compromise on quality." Quite a few people have criticized Kartik for the video, including singer Sona Mahapatra, and they are worried about the actor even coming up with such content, which he often films with his sister Kritika. Faced with backlash, Kartik has taken down the post, but looks like the damage has been done. Sona Mahapatra posted, "This guy has become a youth idol by consistently starring in misogynistic films and is happy to extend it to his disgusting #lockdown video." Domestic violence in India is skyrocketing. Many women struck 24/7 with their abusers. Call this out. #India. He influences many more millions. Another user posted, "Acting in misogynistic films is one thing. भाई अब ये खुद ऐसी स्क्रिप्टिंग और डायरेक्टिंग भी कर रहे हैं। अपने फिल्मों में कॉमेडी के नाम पर फीमेल्स को रिस्पेक्ट ना करने वाले कैरेक्टर्स को प्ले करने की वजह से भी कार्तिक काफी क्रिटिसाइज हो चुके हैं। वेदर इट वाज सोनू के टिटू की स्वीटी, प्यार का पंचनामा, पति पत्नी और वो, और इवन लव आजकल, वेयर ही ऑलमोस्ट टॉक्स सारा's कैरेक्टर। कार्तिक का कोई भी ऑन स्क्रीन कैरेक्टर एक प्रोग्रेसिव मॉडर्न इंडियन मेल कैरेक्टर का नहीं है। In fact, after an interview after the release of Sonu Ke Tittu, he had said he didn't mind his character being judged as misogynist, और अगर उन्हें रियल लाइफ में भी ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन फेस करनी पड़े, he would do what his character did to protect a friend. Well, Kartik, ये वीडियो तो डिलीट हो गया, but looks like your legacy is going to be one of sexist male characters if you don't do some damage control soon. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do not forget to leave your comments and views in our comment section below on our social media handle and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off, promising to be back tomorrow. But you've got to promise me to stay home and stay safe.